Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time visiting us. Karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet, and if you happen to just stumble at my channel, then please don't touch that dial because I'm going to give you a better reason of why you should stick around. I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious noodles or Indomie recipe. And please remember to give us a thumbs up or like our video because this is going to help this video reach more people. The more likes you get, the more people see our video. Let's get cooking. So let's get to know our ingredients. I have 1 large tomato which is just blended. I have some red onion finely sliced. I have some sausages here. I fried the sausages and then chopped them. You can also use smokies if that is what you can afford. Then we also have a tablespoon of tomato paste. I have the green bell peppers. I have the coriander leaves. You know how this makes this look tasty. Then we have 1 teaspoon of garlic, and then we have some cooking oil. I have the spices that come with the noodles or with the Indomie, and then I have the main ingredients, which is the noodles. So my 2 cups of water have boiled, and now I'm going in with my noodles. So I'm just going to add this plus the pieces. Just add them in like that. I'm just going to make sure that every piece is submerged. If you want your noodles cracked, you can also break them into pieces, but if you like them whole, then this is still okay. We're just going to cover this and let them boil for about 5 minutes. So our pot has heated up. While our noodles are continuing to cook, we are just going to make our paste, which we are going to be mixing it with the noodles. So I've just added my cooking oil to my cooking pot, and now I'm going to let it heat up just a minute, and then I'm going in with my red onions. So my noodles have been going for about 5 minutes, and I think they are done to the main level that I want them to get to. So now I'm just going to take this away, and then I'm going to strain the water away in my sink. So my oil has heated up. You can see the bubbles around my wooden spoon, and now I'm going with my red onions. I'm going to fry this till they are translucent. So my onions have started to brown. You can see they have started to brown, and now I'm going in with my garlic. So I really like you guys not to skip the garlic because it really adds a lot of flavors to our meal. It's going to be delicious, very, very delicious. My garlic is perfectly done, and now I'm going in with my sausages, chopped sausages. So there we go. Until at this point that I'm also going in with my tomato paste. And it was just a tablespoon. Oh my goodness, the silver! Oh yeah! So my tomato paste is perfectly done. I'm going in with my green bell peppers. And then we're going to give this a quick stir. And then now we're just going in with our tomato puree. Then we're just going to cover this and let it cook for about 5 minutes. The aroma, I'm telling you, is smelling really delicious. And now I'm going in with my spices. Okay, the Indomie spices. It's called the bumbu sauce. I'm seeing the bumbu sauce. Then you also have the chili. So the chili, I'm just going to add in 1. So if you like your food hot and spicy, there you go. You can add the chili powder. And then I'm going in with the other bumbu sauce. Please note I didn't add the other chili, so that is okay. Now I'm going to give this a good stir. The aroma is filling my kitchen. Oh my goodness, I can sense the neighbors are smelling my noodles. Oh, really, really, really delicious. Yeah, so that is okay. So my sauce is done, and remember the noodles that we had boiled before with just water, and now I'm just going in with my noodles just like that, and I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Wow, look at how delicious this is looking. Oh Oh my goodness. So if you are stuck, maybe for lunch, you don't know what to cook for lunch, you're stuck, you don't know what to have for dinner, then look, see no further, because this recipe will just get you to love noodles or Indomie even more. Oh my god, look at how delicious this is looking. I can't believe that I just made this. Oh my, the aroma is telling me that everything is in order. Everything is really delicious. So you can serve this with a glass of juice, maybe with some soda, and I'm telling you, you are all there. So I don't know what you're still waiting for. I need you guys to run to the description box, see the ingredients, and make these noodles, because I am sure you're just going to love this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like our video. Don't forget to share with your friends and neighbors. Subscribe if up to this point you have not subscribed, so that our channel will grow bigger and bigger. And I love it to see new subscribers to my channel. Until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing out right now. See you next time. Bye bye.